I recently had the opportunity to attend a workshop taught by Emmett Sparling, a photographer and videographer from Vancouver, Canada. We spent 3 action-packed days learning about the ins and outs of photography, from storytelling, navigating social media, to the business side of things. Emmett shared his experiences with 20 other photographers from all over the world. I can't tell you how inspiring it was to be surrounded by these talented individuals. After shooting the sunrise in downtown Vancouver, we took a ferry to Bowen Island. By the way, Emmett's mom catered the workshop all weekend, so we ate like royalty every step of the way. The first stop was what I'll call the Meadow Shoot, where Emmett and another insanely talented photographer, Josiah Gordon, shared their techniques for shooting headshots and high-end fashion photography in the field, literally. We split into groups, practicing our new skills on each other, as well as working with models Ebony and Cess. The next shoot location was in the lake. Cess was all in for this one, navigating snake-infested waters and lily pads for what turned out to be some pretty epic shots. We headed to spot number 3 to kill some time before sunset. Overlooking the ocean, this setting once again just begged to be used as a backdrop for some portraits. Finally, it was golden hour. We headed west to catch the sunset at an epic cliffside beach. It had seagulls, driftwood, a lighthouse, and more snakes. It was an incredible way to end the day.
How are we going to do this?
After dinner, we were all pretty spent, and we had a ferry to catch. I'll never forget all the friendships I made in the short amount of time that we spent together. And if there's one thing that I took away from this workshop besides all the incredible knowledge that Emmett shared with us, it might be that the most joy comes from creating stories with those who share the same passions as you. So surrounding yourself with friends and family leads to the most impactful storytelling, and it's a lot more fun.